Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a drop-down in Adobe XD. We'll start by designing the main button for our drop-down menu. First, create a rectangle and add your text label. Then, convert this element into a component. This initial component will represent the closed state of your drop-down, ready for further interaction design. This foundational step is crucial for building interactive elements. Next, we'll design the open state of our drop-down. Select your component and add a new state, naming it Open. In this new state, expand your button to reveal the list of menu items. Arrange these items vertically, ensuring a consistent padding of about 8 to 10 pixels between each. Use clear, readable fonts for all your options to enhance user experience. Now, let's bring our drop-down to life with prototyping. Switch to prototype mode. From the closed state, drag a wire to the open state, setting the trigger to tap and the action to auto-animate. This creates a smooth transition when the button is tapped. For each individual menu item, link it to its respective destination artboard, ensuring a seamless user journey through your design. Finally, it's time for testing and refinements. Preview your design to ensure the drop-down functions as expected. Check its responsiveness across different artboard sizes, like mobile and desktop. You might also consider adding a subtle hover state to your menu items for enhanced user feedback. Keeping your layers well organized will make any future modifications much simpler and more efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.